Today guys, you shall be learning how to use Daemon Tools Lite Pro. Okay, if you want to mount an image, open your image where you have kept it. So I will be opening Windows 8 that I have ISO that I have burned from a CD, from Windows 8 CD. So now it will appear here. It will be written BD-ROM drive G. Okay. Now if you want to open, double click on it and it will be open. If you want to add some more virtual drive, then you have to open Daemon Tools Pro. It's not full version because I have not installed the key. If you want to add some more virtual drive, so you can click on actions, add DT virtual drive. It will be written DT soft virtual CD-ROM drive successfully installed. Now you can see here you have successfully installed it. So now I have adding 3. Enjoy my new music guys.